from Globalized Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive our biodata from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes,
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, I am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Nothing, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am physically fit to work, ma'am.
Okay, if you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes,
Our
yes, ma'am.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, it's my first time
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
because as of now, I am currently in need of an income as a mother because I have two kids in high school and maybe 2 years from now, I already have college. So I need to have my income, mom, for them for me to support their education in college.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes. My name is Lynn Grace Villahermosa, 32 years old, a mother of three children. 16. I have a 16-year-old son, a 12-year-old son, and a 5-year-old daughter. I am a college graduate, AB English course, and I graduated last 2019. And um, I live in Pasawang, Bukidnon. And regarding my housekeeping or uh, regarding my experiences, I have experience in housekeeping as a house helper last 2011 for that's for 5 months. And during that time, my core responsibilities are um, house cleaning, doing the laundry, cooking, and taking care of uh, my female employer who was a cancer patient. So I am the one to attend for her medicine. And also, I also have experience as an office staff after my graduation. And I am, I am a self-motivated individual and willing to learn many things, especially with my aspiration as a domestic helper in Malaysia. I have no idea about their culture, their tradition, maybe a little bit of their culture and tradition, but I am willing to learn,
Okay.
especially on
Okay.
culture.
So thank you for your good introduction, Doreen, and I would like to know some few more details from you first. You are single or you are married?
Married mom.
Okay. Is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, mom. We already
With
agreed the competition.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here?
My husband and my mother.
Okay, so how old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 37 years old and he is a farmer.
Okay, when is your birthday?
April 20, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
Come again, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
Height and my height is 158 centimeter and my weight is 54 kilograms.
What about your religion?
Woman Catholic, ma'am.
What about, okay, so you mentioned that you are a graduate of an English course, which is BSED, right? No,
AB English.
AB,
It's not
okay.
education.
It's not education, is it? Okay, so what happened? Why you decided to come and work here as a domestic helper?
So I have already experienced um, applying for any job. In fact, after my graduation, I was employed as an officer for 1 year, and 1 year and 3 months. And after that, I stopped working because I decided to be a hands-on mom with my daughter. So after that, mom, I tried many times getting employed to government or private institutions, but unfortunately, um, I got no opportunities
Rejected.
until now.
Okay.
I got no opportunities until now. So I decided to uh, maybe my luck is on abroad. So I decided to apply for work abroad, and also one of the reason I choose to apply working abroad because of the salary range here in the Philippines. So it's not for me. It's not sufficient um to provide for my kids' needs.
Okay. So I would like to let you know, of course, that working as a domestic helper is quite tough. It is not an easy job. Okay?
Mhm.
So fasten your seatbelt because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. This is a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family, you got homesickness, or you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing. Okay? So any like once you terminate or breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Okay.
Reality of working here in Malaysia also, I would like to let you know. Houses here is quite big. There is no joke. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Okay? So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. 100% ready, ma'am.
You mentioned that you have a working experience as a house helper, but 5 months only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You take care an elderly, a female elderly which has got cancer. You do the laundry, cooking, and do the house chores at the same time, right? How
Mm.
old is the elderly that you take care?
71 years old.
Okay, so what year and month is it?
As far as I can remember, it's year 2011 from um, March, no, January to
June.
uh, June. Yes, ma'am. June.
Okay, so after that, way back 2020 to 2021, you work as an office staff, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take
Ye-
your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare then if you know how to cook?
Filipino cuisine, ma'am. From the um common Filipino
Oh,
delicacies, ma'am.
but so you are willing to learn some new recipes, right?
Of course, ma'am.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. I
Are
have
you
experience with others.
okay? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't afraid with any dogs, yeah?
Of fear, but maybe I can manage, ma'am.
Okay. So, as I have mentioned, we don't force people to come here. We have our rules and regulations. It's either you agree or you disagree, okay? Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
Okay, so as I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. If you agree, then fine, you can come work properly. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and what you have mentioned to me just a while ago. The range of the salary here in Malaysia is quite different in the Philippines. Yeah? In Philippines, you can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, because we are a foreigner in this country. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because he will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Respect and follow the rules and regulations, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
My last question is how do you, of course, this is your first time working abroad and it is really like your homesickness will frequently attack you. How are you gonna handle it later?
Maybe because I was given time to after my after performing all my tasks all day long, and I will be given time to hold my cell phone or use my cell phone. So that time I will um I will use
Oh,
that to
talk to your
call or
family.
release, yeah, have an update from them. So maybe that's enough, or maybe that will be um enough for me to stay focused on my
Work.
job abroad.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I think that's all for now, Doreen. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye
Bye.